I welcome all the students of second year IT for the lecture series of open elective subject digital business. And we are starting with the unit number 4, digital business applications. So the point is the electronic retailing. That's a e-tailing. So what is electronic retailing? So as their name is retailing means there is no part of the wholesaler or business to business in this. It's a part of like business to consumer directly already. Whatever the agencies, suppose we are taking the examples of pharma companies, or so if pharma companies to the retail your uh, whatever the medicals. So uh, what's the actual the process? Already we have taken this example before in the unit number 1 or 2, and in that, so from the pharma company to the agencies to the wholesaler or the distributors, and distributors to the retailer. So here is the electronics retailing means now we are going to the online retailing means electronics e-retailing part. So what is this? So electronic retailing or e-retailing or e-tailing, it refers to the selling the goods and the services directly to the consumers through the digital channels like websites, mobile apps, or the social media platforms. So the key features of the e-retailing is the conducted via the internet, uses the digital payments and logistics, focuses on the convenience, uh, personalization, and the global reach, and includes the website, apps, and the social media stores. So why it is really important? So why the e-tailing is very important? Why? So their answer is it allows the customer to shop anytime. It allows the customer to shop anytime, anywhere, without visiting a physical store. Easy, easy definition. So easy their importance, because the customer shop anytime, anywhere, without visiting the physical stores. Businesses reach a larger audience with a lower cost. So how it is work? So how it is work? So through the online stores, product catalogs, secure payment systems, and the digital marketing tools. So what is the example for this? It's Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Netmates. That's also example. So so what a real life case. So during the means real life, we are going to take the example of real life. So during the festival like Diwali, Amazon and Flipkart offers a big discounts through an online sale. It attracting millions of customers without opening new physical store. Anyone can start their business, if there is a small business, or anyone is a retailer, and but there's whatever the shop is very small, so they can go for the e-retailing, so that they can start with the selling goods directly to the consumer. So next is you already know about the B2C, that's a business to consumer. So a business sells, what is B2C? It's a business to customer or business to consumer. So a business sells the products directly to the individual customers online. So what the feature of that? So direct sales, no middleman, and it's a personalized recommendation. There is a personalized recommendation. There is a quick delivery, and easy returns. There is a quick delivery and easy returns. And what the benefit of the B2C is, customer get convenience and the variety, businesses get wider reach. Why it is really very important B2C business? So it saves the time for customers and helps the companies directly engage with the buyers. So how it works? It works via online websites, mobile apps, chatbots, and the delivery system. So what's the example for this? It's Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, Zomato, and many more. So what is the real life example for this? Their example is like Zomato during the lockdown in the 2020 COVID-19. In 2020, the restaurants were shut down, but the customers ordered the online food. Zomato connected thousands of local food sellers directly to the customer or the consumers through their business to uh, co- consumer consumer app. So next point is a omni-channel retailing. What is now omni-channel retailing? So omni-channel means the selling across the multiple channels, online or the mobile and the physical stores. Means selling the goods or the selling the products multiple on the multiple channels, like in online also, in mobile apps also, in the physical store also, like that. So with a seamless shopping experience. So to get the seamless shopping experience, an integrated retailing or the approach combining of physical stores, uh, online, their websites, apps, or the social media to give the customer a seamless the shopping experience. So what's the benefit of the omnichannel retailing? So it is increase the customer loyalty first of all, because it is like a multiple channels, that online also, mobile also, physical stores also. So it's a really customer loyalty really increases more. So next one is the next benefit is a consistent experience across all platforms. Consistent experience across all the platforms. Why it is really important? Why the omni-channel retailing is very important, or the why it is important? So customer can start their shopping no one platform, means customer can start their shopping on one platform and finish on another platform. It increases the satisfaction and the loyalty. So omni-channel retailing, there is one also example like a Cotton King. uh, Although there is a physical stores, but there is a multiple their channels, like a physical stores channel, or we can buy it on online also na. So customer can start shopping on the one platform and finish on the another platform. So if you buy the t-shirts from suppose the Yevla branch, you can change it. Suppose you are going to the Pune and the or the Mumbai or anything else location, so you can change your shirts or your clothes on their another branch. That's a really increase satisfaction and the loyalty towards the customer. So how it is works? So by connecting the store inventory, means by the connecting the store inventory, apps, websites and the social media, by signing the customer accounts, stock data and the delivery system. So what's the example for this omni-channel retailing? It's a shoppers. Just a second. Shoppers, Stop and Chroma both let you check the product availability online, reserve it, and pick it up at the nearest store. So Next one is a customer views a dress on the Myntra app and tries it in a store and pays online. Okay, so real life example, one more example is a Reliance Trends. We already know about the Reliance Trends, correct? So Reliance Trends uses an omni-channel app that allows customers to order from the nearest store, ensuring quick delivery and the better stock management. So next point is a AI driven personalization. So what is AI driven personalization? So using an artificial intelligence, so personalization means what? Personalization means what? It's a something recommendation, or it's something that we like. That's a personalization, or we can say it like a customization also. Correct? So using the artificial intelligence to analyze the customer data and show personalized product suggestions and show the personalized product suggestions or offers. So AI means the artificial intelligence is used to recommend the products based on the customer behavior, their preferences and their history. So why it is important, why the AI driven personalization is important? It is because it helps the brands to make customer feel understood and the improving their satisfaction and their sales. So to improve the customer experience and the boost the sale, so AI driven personalization is very important. It plays a very important role. So how it is works? So AI analyze the data like browsing history and the suggest the relevant products. AI studies user behavior, purchase the history and the browsing patterns. What's the browsing patterns of that customers? Browsing, what's the browsing history of that particular customer? What is their location? Means from the location, it's a urban area or rural area, and their past orders to make the smart recommendation. Suppose in the you will think like, what's the past orders and what's the relation between them? It's like a whatever. Suppose anyone is just buying some kurtas, or whatever, the girls buying only the kurtis or only the saris, it will give you the recommendation like, you also like these saris also, because they just judge you with the with your history, what you have just what is your past order, means they think like you, what you will buy next, so it will recommend you. So for that, their benefit is like, it's a better customer experience and the higher sales and the engagement with the customer. So next one, their example is like a Amazon. Amazon says like, you have their heading like, you may also like this. You may also like this. On the Netflix, if you are using the Netflix, there is a recommendation like movie recommendation, or you will also like the, or this is recommended movie. In the Spotify, like it it is, I think, wrote like made for you the playlist, made for this playlist is made for you, recommended songs, like this. So the real life example is like, Mintra's AI stylist recommends the outfit. So if you are going through this, like, Mintra's AI stylist recommends the outfits based on their user size, skin tone and the browsing patterns, increasingly sales and reducing the returns. So one more is like a lens cart try-ons, means you are just trying something, or it recommends like, no, you are not looking good in this size or spec, means your this goggle is suits you or this goggle is not suiting you, your whatever your face is oval or your face is round, this type of spec you're looking on your face, it is looking really good, it recommends. So next one is a shopping. So what is now social shopping? So it uses the social media to influence the purchasing. So it uses the social media in the social shopping. It uses the social media to influence purchasing, reviews and the reviews the photos, influencer post act as a social proof. So what's the benefit for this? So it builds the brand style, it builds the brand trust, it increases the visibility through the shares and the likes. So next one is that's a UGC, that's a user generated content. So what is this now? Just a second. So content like reviews, photos or the videos created by the real customer that help the authors make buying decisions. That's a user generated content. So for example, a customer posts a photo that wearing a brand outfit on the Instagram. That's a user generated content, means content like a reviews, whatever. If we buy something, we are giving the ratings or the reviews, or we are posting the photos or the videos. That's a we are the real customer because we are buying something from the company or from that particular platform. So it helps the author for taking something. If you are ordering something from the Amazon or the Flipkart or the Meesho, so it may be you are just looking at that product, but first of all you are going to the downwards to just see or the look about your whatever the reviews or the photos of real customer. So it engages the more, or it will take a or any customers, other customers can make a buying decisions faster because of that. So the next one is a social proof. So positive, so the positive reviews, testimonials, or the followers counts that build trust. Suppose for example, 10,000 people bought this product or one bestseller on the Amazon. That's a social proof. So we are, आपण घेऊ का त्यांच्याकडून की ज्यांचं एकदम सेलिंग एकदम खराब आहे किंवा त्यांना ज्या जे पण विकता आहेत त्यांना रेटिंग एकदम खराब दिली गेलेली आहे, आपण घेऊ का? आपण काय, आपला विश्वास बसेल का? पहिली गोष्ट, आपला विश्वास बसणार नाही, आपण कोणती गोष्ट घेणारच नाही. तर जेव्हा आपल्याला दिसतं की 10,000 लोकांनी किंवा 20,000 लोकांनी हा प्रॉडक्ट घेतला आहे, त्या सपोज 10,000 मधून 8,000 लोकांचा रिप्लाय चांगला आलेला आहे, म्हणजे बाकीचे 2,000 आहे त्यांच्यामधून सपोज 1,500 लोकांचा ओके ओके रिप्लाय आहे आणि बाकीचे जे 500 उरलेले आहेत त्यांचा रिप्लाय चांगला नाही, तर तुम्ही कशावर विश्वास ठेवाल? की त्या 500 लोकांवर विश्वास ठेवाल की ज्यांचा 8,000चा रिव्ह्यू आहे त्यांच्यावर तुम्ही विश्वास ठेवणार? करेक्ट. हे झालं सोशल प्रूफ. आता त्यामुळे काय होतं की तुमचे जे पण पॉझिटिव्ह रिव्ह्यूज असतात किंवा फॉलोअर्स तुमचा काउंट असतो, त्यामुळे तुमचा एक ट्रस्ट बिल्डअप होतो तुमच्या कस्टमर बरोबर. सो आता वाय इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट, का बरं हे इम्पॉर्टंट आहे? तर पीपल ट्रस्ट द रेकमेंडेशन्स अँड फ्रॉम द रिअल युजर्स अँड मोर दॅन ऍड्स. जे आता आपण जर एखादी गोष्ट घ्यायची आहे तर आपण त्याच्यावर विश्वास ठेवतो का? आता इव्हन आपण आज जर बघितलं, एखादी गोष्ट घ्यायची पण आहे आपल्याला, तर आपण आधी युट्यूबवर जातो आणि युट्यूबवर गेल्यानंतर आधी बघतो. सपोज मला एखादं मला माऊस घ्यायचा किंवा मला लॅपटॉप घ्यायचा आहे, मी तिथे जाणार आधी की सपोज मी एखादा लॅपटॉप पण सिलेक्ट केला की हा मला हा लॅपटॉप आवडलेला आहे, तर आता मी काय करणार त्या लॅपटॉप बरोबर की मी आधी माझ्या युट्यूबवर जाणार. युट्यूबवर गेल्यानंतर मी बघणार सपोज XYZ कंपनीचं जे लॅपटॉप आहे त्याचं रिव्ह्यूज काय आहेत, कोणी घेतला आहे, कोणी घेतल्यानंतर ते कसं दिसतंय, त्यांच्या साईडने मी रिव्ह्यू बघणार. असेही आहेत ना की तुम्ही रिव्ह्यू बघतात, ठीक आहे, ते तुमच्या ऍपच्या खालीही असतं, पण आपण रिव्ह्यू बघितल्याशिवाय आपण कोणावर ट्रस्ट करतच नाही. सो why it is important? Because the people trust the recommendation from the real user more than ad पेक्षा पण जास्त ते रिअल युजर वर खूप ट्रस्ट करतात. सो हाऊ इट वर्क्स, आता हे कसं वर्क करणार, थ्रू द इंस्टाग्राम शॉप्स, टिकटॉक व्हिडिओज और द इन्फ्लुएन्सर्स or the influencer product link. So the user generated content, a customer post wearing a dress and tags the brand on the Instagram. सो द कस्टमर, आता कस्टमरने एखादी कोणती ड्रेस वगैरे घेतला, त्याने काय केलं की जे पण सपोज पोलो ब्रँड आहे, मला माहित आहे ते सांगते, सपोज पोलो ब्रँड आहे किंवा आपण असं करू कॉटन किंग आहे, तर कस्टमरने ड्रेस घेतल्यानंतर त्या ब्रँडला टॅग केलं इंस्टाग्रामवर. सो हे झालं युजर जनरेटेड कॉन्टेंटचा एक्झाम्पल. नेक्स्ट आहे सोशल प्रूफचा एक्झाम्पल. सो 5 स्टार रिव्ह्यूज आहेत किंवा 10,000 लोकांनी ती गोष्ट घेतलेली आहे, हे जर तुम्हाला दिसतंय तर हे एक्झाम्पल कशाचं झालं, सोशल प्रूफचं. सो रिअल लाईफ केस जर आपण बघितली तर काय असणार आहे की इंस्टाग्राम शॉप्स अँड द मीशो रील्स सपोज. So the small sellers upload the products videos, customers buy directly through the post or boosting the micro entrepreneurship in the India. So the next one is a benefit of e-retailing. So it's a 24/7 availability. First of all, the customer can shop anytime. So next one is a wider customer reach. So businesses reach global customers. So next one is the cost effective. So no need for physical stores. So it is a cost effective. So next one is a personalized shopping experience. So AI recommends the suitable items. And last one is a easy product comparison. That's a customer compare prices easily. So next one is a drivers of e-retailing. So drivers of e-retailing is internet and the smartphone growth, digital payments, logistic and delivery tech, or the logistic network, or the social media marketing, or the influence. So the drivers of e-retailing is like internet and smartphone growth. So it expands the digital access, enable the online access. So the for example Jio's internet expansion. So next one is digital payment, UPI and the wallets. So it's a easy secure transaction, so it is easy secure transactions, simple safe transactions, for example UPI, Paytm, Phone Pay. So next one is a logistic and delivery tech or the logistic network. So it is a fast and tracked shipping, faster deliveries. For example, delivery, Blue Dart. Next one is a social media marketing influence. Social media marketing or the influence, it attracts the young customers and it creates the product visibility. For example, the Instagram ads. And next one is a AI and the data analytics. So it's a personalization and the forecasting. It is used for personalization and the forecasting. For example, the Amazon, Netflix. So next topic is a fintech. That's a financial technology. So it means, okay, we will take this point in next video. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.